Hey, what up, y'all? Justin Gay, Seeds of Zanzibar. Soggy day, mad raining. I don't really have a lot to do out on the plot today anyway, so what I'm going to be doing, or what I've already started doing, is rebuilding my Microgreen tray loader. Basically what this is a box where we could put a bunch of compost in, put our trays in, and then slide them through a little gate that actually knocks off the excess soil that's in the 1020 tray. Anyhow, I got this idea from Jared over at Windrock Farms on Instagram. He made his way better. He made his with steel. All I had is wood. For the most part, all I still have is wood, but I did get a little bit of metal that I'm going to be putting down on the base of my on the base of the loader, which hopefully is going to make it last that much longer. So basically, you can pretty much see how easy this build is, right? So it's just a pallet on top of 4 legs attached to a base. Pretty simple, right? And I already got out all the waterlogged nasty wood. I'm gonna actually put more wood down. Kind of lame doing this wet. So now we got the first piece of wood on there nice and flush. Next I need to do is change out my saw blade or my metal cutting blade. Then I'm gonna put a piece of sheet metal on top of that. Okay, the metal's on now. Now all I need to do is drill this stuff together. Just using some regular wood screws. Put it back together and that's it. That leak over there started dripping on the table, so I had to move it over a little bit. Do something that sucks, right? Oh my God. When I first started, it wasn't raining like this. Not the prettiest build in the world, but it's going to be quite effective. So basically now what we do is just add the compost inside of these two, or 1 1/4-inch trays. We slide it through. All the compost gets left, all the excess compost gets left inside the box. And then we pretty much get a smooth, nice, finished tray. It's pretty much how it works. Also with our 2-inch trays where we don't fill all the way up, it's real simple to have a bunch of compost in here with our scoop. Just simply begin to scoop it out and fill them up on the trays. This has saved us, I don't know how much time. That, of course, and now that we get our compost pre-mixed. We can actually now do right about over 100 trays in less than an hour. So, yeah, it's really nice. All done. Pretty much just put this thing together with a bunch of scrap wood, so I had to kind of deal with the bows and the warps in that wood. This thing's gonna last, it's already lasting me well over a year. I can imagine now that I put that metal in there, it's gonna last me even longer. If I have to go to rebuild this again, then I'll just rebuild it, but I'm pretty sure I want to do that for some time. Anyhow, hope this video was useful, guys. Peace.